Hey, this is SJ here. Today I'm going to show you the soft foot peeling mask. The reason I'm going to do this is because I get my feet done every 2 weeks. And of course, when I leave out of the place from getting my pedicure, it doesn't look like this. It's all shiny and looks like I don't have any kind of issues. But later on, a couple of days later, this is what I start seeing. So I decided I'm going to try this foot peeling mask. You might have seen it on Facebook. I went to Amazon, so we're going to see. Disclaimer, everybody wasn't born with pretty feet, but you can do what it takes to try to get them that way. So I'm going to use this Pure Derm. I got this out of the Amazon.com, and it was like 3 of them for $9.99. So it shows mostly pictures. It doesn't give instruction. Here's what it looks like outside of the package. There's like 2 fabric-like plastic feet. They come out very wet. So I suggest that you prepare to use some Crocs on them so that way when you're walking around having to keep these on for 90 minutes to 2 hours, that you don't get the floors wet or get something else with the chemical on it. You just keep it right in your Crocs. They come out of the container looking like this. So it definitely can fit probably up to a size 12. Like when you put it on. And I kind of folded it back some. And now I'm going to put on my little slippers to go with it. It will feel very wet to you too. So just keep that in mind. That's why I suggested to use your Crocs. I've taken them off my feet. And this is what my feet came out looking like. Now I'm just going to go wash them off. And then we'll wait a few days and see what happens next. So you still see some of that dryness on them. Alright, check it out. It's 5 days later. Look at my feet, y'all. Okay, so if you rewind this video back, my feet didn't look this freaking bad at the beginning. But now, oh my. The only thing that's, oh my gosh, now, I don't know about this, y'all. Okay, now look, it does peel it off though. Look at there. But my goodness, I don't know if it took more skin than was bad. I'm not sure about this one. All I know is that look at my feet. I mean, it's supposed to be peeling off in clumps. But I'm seriously, oh my God, did I just mess up my feet? Really? Go back and rewind this tape. My feet didn't look at this. Now, yeah, I bet you I can't believe I'm showing this. This is real life, y'all. Okay, so I got this. That thing ain't gonna do nothing. Alright, so, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna jump in the shower. So, let's see what happens after I do that. So now this is how it looks after I took a shower. Okay. It was a little easier to come off. But I'm going to tell y'all something, man. I think what it did was what it does is take an extra layer. So let's say that you don't need this stuff done and you put this on. I believe it takes an extra layer because my feet wasn't looking like that. Now I can rub it. And that takes quite a bit of it off. But yeah, if your feet are really bad and you really need to get this done, yes, I would do it. But if you're regular pedicure like me, I don't think so. Now, what I'm gonna do is go to the I'm gonna go get a pedicure done and see how it looks after that, and then I'll show you all. But shit, this is real life. Ain't no way anybody in their right mind gonna show you their feet like that. Golly. But you rewind this video and look at the beginning. My feet didn't look like this. Here it is a couple of days later. I'm at the nail shop getting a pedicure. My feet's already been in the water, but she hasn't taken the nail polish off or cleaned them up yet. My skin does look a lot better. That a lot of the dead skin that was showing from having used this product is gone, which is great. And now we're just gonna have to clean it up. I did notice that it does take an extra layer of skin off because it was at the top too. Here are my feet after the pedicure. So much better. It took off all that extra skin. As you can see with the lighter colors of my feet, that's where that extra dead skin is that product was on my feet, and it slid it off too. So it takes off a layer whether you're, no matter what the condition of your feet is. So you want to keep that in mind. I suggest this is used with people that actually don't really get pedicures. I still got a little bit of scaly left on my feet, but definitely I'm a lot happier with it now compared to a few days ago. So yeah, check it out if you like. Like I said, I don't recommend it unless you are a person that don't get pedicures regularly. This is your girl SJ. Thanks for watching.